If you're a Google Drive user, you've probably run into this issue. If you've got folders, you can't copy them or duplicate them. You can only move them, add a shortcut to them, or grant somebody access. The best native solution to this is to actually download the entire folder, extract all the contents, and then re-upload them where you want to do that. But that is entirely too cumbersome, and now there is a solution. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, you can find this application copy folder in Google Drive. I'll also link to it in the description, but we'll install it real quick and see what it does. Hit continue, allow permissions, bang, it's installed. With my browser refreshed, I see the application over here called Awesome Files. I'll just click that. It tells me to just select the files that I want to copy. I'll copy this recordings folder. Then it asks me where I want to copy the folder to. So now I select where I want it to go. That's where the folder will be copied. I hit save. And I have an option here to keep permissions for the files in case there's shared files in there. I don't want to do that. Hit start copying. Bang, that's it. You get an email when it's done. That's the easiest way to copy or duplicate files in Google Drive, hands down. There's no other simpler way. It's so fast and so easy. And look at this. You can see what you've copied in the past. You got a whole history log. You copied 600 megabytes of files in 7 seconds. Piece of cake. So that's Awesome Files called Copy Folder in Google Drive, available in the Google Workspace Marketplace, solving the one problem we've all had in a way that truly makes it simple and convenient.